Hi there. In this video, we'll learn 3 songs using the G, C, and D chords. We'll also occasionally add in the G7 chord and the D7 chord. After the songs, I'll give you some helpful tips. All the songs are in 4/4 time.
Well, I looked over Jordan and what did
2,
I see?
3, 4, 1,
Coming
2,
for to
3,
carry
4,
me
1, 2, 3,
There
4.
was a band of angels a-coming after me, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Well, I'm sometimes up and I'm sometimes down, coming for to carry me home. But I know my soul is heavenward bound, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4
She'll be
and
coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. She'll be driving 6 white horses. She'll be driving 6 white horses. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes.
One and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and So in the first song, we're doing a quarter note strum, and just be aware that some of the chords get a full measure for 4 beats, but some only get a half measure or 2 beats. It's helpful to count in your head. For instance, swing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. The same occurs on the second song. Beware of the G to G7 chord change, which is pretty tough. It might help just to practice that a measure at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the third song is pretty tough. You have frequent chord changes. You're usually doing 2 chords per measure, each chord getting 2 beats. And the usual pattern is G, D, C, D, but once in a while it's going to be G, C, D, and I also threw around the end of the verse just a D to D7. Just lift that first finger off. So I hope you're enjoying these. If you like these, subscribe, give a thumbs up, tell other friends or students about them. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section for me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.